Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing fine. And today we are gonna start with if and else condition. So to start with that, let's create a class first. So we'll create the class in day one package. You can see the day one package is highlighted. I have selected. Right click on this, new, and then select class. I'll give my class name as test. You can give anything you wish. So now class is created. So let's note down what all things we're gonna learn today in if and else. So first is if block, then if else block, and then else if block. So let's start learning one by one. So all the these if blocks are is having the same syntax, like every time, if you write here, then you need to write some condition here, and then open braces, close braces, and here in between that you write your code. So that's how the condition, if condition is true, the code will get execute. That's all. So let's start seeing that in real time. So let's take an example that 20 is greater than 18, and that you need to write in if block. How will you write? So I'll write like if 20 is greater than 18, I'll just say that print true. Let's run the program. Yes, it's true, 20 is greater than. So this is a if block, guys. Whenever something happens, some exercise comes to you like this, that if this is greater than this, right, use just if block. Now again comes the next thing. So sometime if people say if day is 6, it's Saturday, or say, or print no match found. So how you're gonna write this in if and else block? Just see, if, again condition will get checked. So what condition I am gonna write? Day. Now just see, break the program. If day is 6, it's Saturday, or print no match found. It means we have to take a variable day. So first create a variable. So what is the type of variable? It's an integer type. So int day equals to 6. So we write here condition. So conditions, how conditions work? Like conditions work like greater than, less than, and then equals to equals to, like that. So if day equals to 6, then just say it's Saturday. Okay, and otherwise, or just say no match found. I'll copy from here because I have to write it again. So yeah, now just quickly run your program, run as Java application, and see, it's Saturday. Day equals to 6. Now if you want to change, day equals to, just change like 9, and again try to run your program. No match found. So what happens, guys? If day equals to 6, so first, if whatever it is, if day equals to 9, it doesn't check here. The condition get checked here in if block. First, if day equals to 6, okay, yeah, then it will execute this block. And if you make like, if day equals to 9, so condition will get checked here. If day equals to, if 9 equals to 6, no, then control will not go in this. Our flow will come to else block, and else block will get executed no matter what. So that's if and else. Now let's check else if condition, guys. Else if. So what happens in else if? Else if, like, let's take example of this only. Okay, let's take example of this only. This time we'll just add 2 more day. So if day equals to 1, it's Monday. Day equals to 2, it's Tuesday. Something like that. That should be our exercise. So how we are gonna print this in, how we are gonna do this in Java programming? So simple, guys. Just if then condition day equals to 1, just say it's Monday. And if you want to, if you are having multiple conditions like this, if day equals to 6, print this, if day equals to this, then only we use else if. Then we'll use else if day equals to what is that, 2. Then execute this block. What is this block? This block is having it's Tuesday. Now again like that, else if day equals to 3, just print like that, it's Wednesday. At last when all the blocks will get over, we use else block. Else no match found. I'll just copy from here. This. Now, try to run this program and check what is happening. So we have given right now, look guys, int day equals to 9. We have declared this. So do you see any day as a 9? This is 6. This we have mentioned 1, 2, 3. So where control should go? Control should go in this. Just comment out because we are not executing this one. We are executing this one. So it should come no match found in else if block. Okay, and let it not get comment out. Now let's execute the program. So see, no match found in else if block, because we are right now here. So it will again check like that, if day equals to 1, if 9 equals to 1, no, it will not go in this block. If 9 equals to 2, no, it's not will go in this block. If 9 equals to 3, no, it will not go in this block. Now let's try with 3. Now again, just try to run the program. See, it's Wednesday. So control came into this. 3 equals to 1, no. 3 equals to 2, no. 3 equals to 3, yes. Just execute this and come out of this loop. Come out of this block. So this is pretty much on, if, else if, and if block, guys. So practice. That is what, can make you, good in programming. So that's all for now. See you in the next episode. Thank you.